landing page issues. So you got the potential customer to click on your ads, but they just as quickly click on the back button. Why is that? What did they see that made them go back so quickly? It's rather what they didn't see.
There's nothing here for us.
They didn't see what they wanted, what you promised them, the solution to their problem. For example, if you're an emergency plumber, the main thing they're going to be asking themselves are you local? Have you got loads of good reviews? And how quickly can you get to them to solve the plumbing problem? Sending them to your website where they have to navigate to get the information they're looking for will just make them confused, reduce your ad quality score, and they'll just leave the page. Instead, create dedicated landing pages that match the keywords and ad copy, making it easy for users to find what they're looking for. If your landing page is not relevant to your ad, then they're more likely to leave your website without taking any action. Another example, let's say you're running an ad for garden design and your landing page is about your garden maintenance. People are likely to leave your website without contacting you. If instead you make the page all about your garden design with drawings, before and after garden transformations with a clear call to action to get a quote, the customer is far more likely to convert to a lead. Your potential customer's journey through your landing page should be smooth and straightforward. Also, check if your landing page is optimized for mobile users and check for the loading speed. If the loading speed is low or the landing page is not optimized for mobile users, that can also lead to people bouncing off the page.